Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, ay magluluto tayo ng chicken liver or atay ng manok with itlog, with egg. So, guys, keep on watching. Ayan guys, mainit na yung pan, kaya lagyan na natin ng oil. Put some oil. I love to put a little bit, but I think this time I will put too much. And then we add some garlic and then let it brown. And then stir it. Haluin na mabuti until it gets brown, golden brown I mean. And then we add some onion. Ayan. Ayan, ang bango talaga ng onion. It smells so good. We will let the onion and garlic until it gets golden brown. It smells so good right now. Oh my god, and it's so yummy. I am trying to speak English, guys, because I have subscribers from abroad, especially in the USA. Char lang, charot. Ayan, we put already the chicken liver in the pan, and then we add some bell pepper and then more bell pepper. We put some chili and then we add water. Ayan. And then we check our boiled egg if it's cooked already, and it's cooked. We made some orange juice because it's really perfect for chicken liver. And then we add some black bell pepper. And then if you don't have that one, I think that's a rounded one. You can still use a black pepper powder, but we don't have that one, so we use the rounded one. And then you put some seasoning. It's called magic setup. Anyway, you can use any seasoning you have in your house. That will be fine. And then we mix them so that the chicken liver absorb those ingredients that we put in the pan. And then we add some soy sauce to make it a little bit salty but yummy. And then we have our boiled egg. It's very soft and tender. As you can see, the chicken liver absorbed the water and now it's a bit dry. But I swear that's very yummy. You should try it, guys. And then now it's cooked. We just have to add our boiled egg and then it's ready to serve, guys. It's very yummy. You guys should try it. I swear it's yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye.